Hi,
Hi, good morning.
good morning. How are you?
I'm doing amazing. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you for asking. So, how did your weekend go?
Weekend went well.
Okay,
So good. Yeah.
I'm very happy to hear that. So, today, the topic of our discussion, there is a broad topic, which is hair care and skin care. And before that, there's another topic for on which you need to speak for 2 minutes. The topics,
Extemporary topic.
yeah, exactly. One is scams. One topic is scams, and the other topic is controversy as a marketing strategy.
Scam, right? Scams.
Yes, one is scams. The first topic is scams, and the second topic is controversy as a marketing strategy. So, which topic do you want to speak on?
Can you help me understand it better? Second one, controversy.
Yes. So, for example, before releasing a movie, sometimes some there's a they you get to know about a controversy, right? So it acts as a negative publicity to promote the movie. So anything that
Okay.
is negative publicity can be an example of a controversy as a marketing strategy to promote them. To attract people's attention, they are making up some stories of controversy to promote the movie. So that is how controversy can act as a marketing strategy. So can you think of anything else?
Okay. I think I would not be able to speak upon this or speak on this controversy topic.
Other topic
take
is
I'll
scams.
take first one, scams, right?
Yes.
Scams, which is very common nowadays, though people are aware about it, but still now there are a lot of hackers or scammers who are well intelligent, or who are very experienced or intelligent, or they have done their research a lot in due to technology, or due to technology. And the other thing is that nowadays our data is easily available, our information, due
Yes.
to things, for an example, if I'm downloading a new app, they will give me a lot of pop-ups, or they'll ask me for permissions, and without thinking for the next minute, I just keep permit all the permissions, and then uh, that website or that application, they are able to access your data. So that is the reason the hackers or the scammers are getting our information, whether it is name, address, email ID, and mobile number, and then they start their work, which is causing us harm a lot of times, because we are educated, we know scam things, but people who are in their uh, especially old age people, they don't know anything about these things, so uh, got they got caught in these scams. So I think these scammers should not do these things, because it is harming people and it is not good. And sometimes people are mentally stressed, sometimes they are uh, financially, yeah, it causing them trouble financially. So it's very harmful.
Absolutely. So you expressed your thoughts very well, very fluently, as which is very good. One small error. You said they got caught, get
Mhm.
caught. They get caught
They get caught.
in
Okay.
this trap because you are making a general statement. You are making a general statement.
Okay, yeah.
Use a
They,
simple present. They get, and it causes, not causing. It causes a lot of harm. It causes. It causes a lot of.
okay.
Okay, simple present tense. All right. So now, anything else you want to say on this topic?
No, I think that's it. It is
Or
not just good for anyone, whether they are youngsters or in case of youngsters, I think we are very excited. So when it comes to, and they are very experience, or they are very professional to explain or to do their scam. So we can also get into it. So it is not for the people, it is not for the old age people only, it is for everyone, that we should aware about these things, and we should do research twice thrice before getting into something which is new for you, whether it is a website, app, or someone who is calling you. It is really dangerous, and they are very sharp, they're very professional, they are very fluent. And in India we are just so much fond of you know people who are explaining well, or people who are speaking in English, or they're using some fancy words or fancy language. So I think we should all aware about it. That's it.
Very good. And just one small correction, very minor.
Yes. Yeah.
Should all aware of it, you said. We should be aware. We should be aware.
We
You
should
said
be aware of it.
be was missing. Okay. So instead of saying that we should aware of it, it would be we should be. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So now coming to the broader topic, which is on hair care and skin care. So can you, what thought comes to your mind when I say hair care and skin care? What thought comes to your mind?
It sounds so good, healthcare and skincare, especially healthcare. Like
Hair care. Hair care.
it is hair care. Oh, it is all about beauty and all. Okay. I think recently I've spoken about these things, but yeah, it sounds so good, healthcare and skincare. And whenever you, whether it is Instagram or YouTube, you're scrolling and you get a video about skincare, healthcare, you watch that video. Like I'm talking about myself, I watch that video from start to end, and I notice everything, what they're doing, how they're doing, and I start following them. But when it comes to doing on weekend or wherever, whenever, I just don't do it. I just keep watching videos. I like so much skincare, healthcare, but I'm too lazy to apply those things on me. So yeah, but it is very important. You should take seriously healthcare. Sorry, hair care, skincare. I'm sorry. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, being a girl, I am taking it seriously, or I like it so much, or maybe I want to try all these things. What about uh, you guys? Like, do you also take it seriously? Do you watch the videos when it comes to you, or do you like ask for advice for hair care or skincare? What you do? What do you do?
I definitely take care of my hair and skin. I definitely do, and it's very important.
Okay.
It's very important for me as well. And so I do some research on which good products we should use, which are not harmful for our hair. And I do my research, then I select the products. Then I also seek advice from my friends, and after getting a feedback from them, I decide on which products I need to buy, and then I bite the bullet. I buy the products. So then,
Okay.
and I once I buy the products, I religiously take care of my skin and hair, because it's always good to look good and presentable, right? So that's why
Right.
I take care of my hair and skin. That is very important.
Okay.
So yeah, and
Okay.
and it's also good for your personal hygiene. If you take care of
Yes.
clean, like if you keep your skin clean and your hair clean, then it's like good for your health. Like, actually, you're working on it. It's actually hair care and skin care is actually health care, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, obviously, good health is very yes.
Right. Right. It's a very important part of your healthcare. Your skin your skin and hair should look good, or you should maintain it well. All right. It's so good to hear from you that you take it very seriously.
Yes.
But I want to ask you that, do you think applying products only help you to take care of your skin and hair, or you can do something else also to add into it?
What I do is I work out at the gym. Okay, so I do a lot of exercise.
Okay.
I used to work out at the gym before the pandemic, but now I have created a gym where I work out regularly, and that if I work out, then it actually helps your skin, right? Like because
Yes,
it
yes.
improves your blood circulation, right?
Yeah, yeah, it helps you.
So it improves the blood circulation. That helps. So exercise indirectly takes care of your skin.
Right.
So that is
Okay.
these are the other activities I do, and sometimes I go out for walks, and I try to be stress free, because most of the root cause of these problems is stress, right? So
Yeah, stress.
and again, exercise helps me to reduce stress, right? If
Yeah.
yes. So what do you do? Like what how do you take care in, like, what other activities do you do?
To buy the products and to understand whether it will be suitable on my skin or not. And I don't want to get into that routine that you need to go to doctor, you need to get take advice from them, because nowadays we are doing this, but earlier also people were having good skin and good hair, and they were not going to doctor for that. So I think you yourself can take care of your hair and skin. So I think instead of applying so many products, I do normal things like exercise also. I'm not doing a lot. I try to do yoga sometimes, and I walk a lot. I like walking. So yes, and walking helps me to feel relaxed. You're absolutely right. Like, walking helps you to like get over of your stress
Yes. To
or to reduce your stress.
overcome your stress.
Yeah, to overcome your stress, exactly, to overcome your stress. And other thing is that I do believe in intaking good
Food
fruits or juice or sometimes salad. So yes,
should be, and that is again. Thank you for reminding me.
I believe.
Thank you for reminding me
Yes.
particular about what food I eat. That is very important, for your skin and hair. So that is a very point. So tell me, what do you eat? What do you eat for your good health? What's your diet like?
Nothing special. So there is no diet things. It's just that I try to include a lot of veggies and fruits in my meal or in my breakfast, because that helps you. It has a lot of vitamins. So I think recently I was moving from Pune to Nagpur, Nagpur to Pune. I had so much stress. I lost my job. I was searching jobs. So many things happened with me in 2 3 months. So I had bad skin, bad skin and bad hair. Like, it was reflecting on my skin and hair, my stress. So I had to go to doctor. So I am not saying that don't go to doctor at all. That was very necessary for me. That's why I consulted doctor, and they helped me to understand that due to uh, lack of vitamins, uh, I'm facing these issues. So they gave me some medicines, and they asked me to add some fruits and some vegetables in my meal. And I tried that. So now it's better.
Okay.
So yes, it was just an example that stress is plays very important role to you know
Increasing.
yeah,
I'll tell you.
for
uh,
you to increasing.
I'll tell you how to frame.
Mhm.
Stress plays a
Okay.
stress plays a very important role in. Okay.
In increasing.
Stress.
Okay, in increasing stress. Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes.
So
That's what I wanted to say.
if we can overcome the stress, if we take care of the stress, then all the other things fall into place, right? Like good skin, good hair,
Exactly. Yeah.
and also
Yes.
and as you rightly said, like the doctor advised you to ensure that you're getting vitamins, and fruits are a good source of,
Mhm.
like banana, apples. These are
Source
good,
of, yeah.
necessary vitamins which the doctor advised to you. So these things are very important. Thank you for that. Yes, I also follow that. That a good diet, a good healthy diet.
Okay. Right. 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 And for skin, I think especially for face, one thing I have learned is sunscreen is very important. No matter what gender you are or at what age you are, you need to apply sunscreen on your face. It is not important. It is not like that. It's a myth that you should apply sunscreen when you're going out only. You should apply sunscreen every day, whether it is summer, winter, or rainy season. And even if you're working on your laptops, on your systems in front of screen, you need to apply sunscreen on your face because the rays can affect your skin badly. So yes, this is really very important. If you're not applying any other product, it's completely fine. Just apply sunscreen, and for the rest of the day, you are just okay. You're fine.
Wow, great. Thank you. These are very valuable. It's a value.
Yes.
Yes, I read this somewhere. Even if you are at home in front of the laptop, you need to use the sunscreen. Valid. This is a valid
Right.
point.
Right.
So do you use sunscreen on your while working? Do you?
Yes, yes. Actually, I was also using sunscreen when I was going out only, but recently I have started using sunscreen for at home only, at home also, and it's really good. Like, yeah, it's really good for your skin. It helps you to cover your skin from dirt and from rays unnecessary and pollution.